Hello students, welcome back to the class. Do it now, a poem for classic students. Before going into the poem, let me give you some tips. You use them to complete your work on time. How about rewarding yourself with a bar of chocolate or an ice cream after you complete a difficult task? Don't you think that the happiness of completing something difficult will double after the treat? Yes, of course. So you treat yourself after completing a task. Ask a friend or an adult to check if you are putting off things that you need to complete. You can give them a copy of your to do list. You, you can ask your mom to check, to monitor you. You can make a to-do list and you can give a copy to your mom and you can ask your mom to check whether you are following it. Otherwise, she will remind you and that will help you to complete the task. Write down the ill effect of delaying work on a chart paper and put it up on the wall of your bedroom. And you see that now and then so that you will know if you don't do this, what will happen. Maybe you fail. You may not be able to achieve your goal, A plus. So you should know what is the ill effect of not doing the job in time. Make a beautiful poster to show the benefits of timely action and put it right in front of your bed so that you can see it every morning. So keep these tips in the mind. Now let's move into the poem. Do it now. Look at this. You can see a child doing a job. This poem is a cute little poem, stresses timely action and says strongly that it is not good to procrastinate. The verse and illustration, the verse and the pictures blend very well and make reading a pleasure. The choice of word is visual in nature and they criticize or blame somebody for doing something wrong, urge and talk to the reader directly. So student will understand the importance of completing work on time and thereby they learn time management. So this poem is actually performance against procrastination. So at the end, students should realize how timely completion of work is most appreciated and helpful. This poem also helps forming good habits, inculcating punctuality. The students get a sense of urgency, sincerity, and duty consciousness. It's indeed a lovely poem, children. Please learn from this poem the beautiful things what you needed for your life. Do It Now, written by Anonymous. That is the name we don't know who wrote it, but it's a wonderful poem. You can learn a life lesson. Look at this. If you have to fold your cloth, fold and keep. After folding, keep it in the almara where it should go, it should go. In your house, if you see toys lying here and there, collect everything, put it in a bag and keep it aside. If you see the clothes which are dried in a string, immediately go and take it and start folding it. You don't wait your mama telling you to do. You see, in Malayalam they say Nokim Kandam Joli Cheyuga. That is, you just see what is to be done. You don't ask anybody to instruct you. If you feel yes that has to be done, just go ahead and do it. Look at this. Toys are lying here and there. Don't wait anybody to tell you to pick up the toys. You go collect all, put it in the right place, and keep the room neat and tidy. Now look at this poem, first stanza. If you have got a job to do, do it now. Look at the picture. The child is cleaning the glass of the window pane. She's cleaning the window glass. If anything has to be done, just do it now. Don't simply sit and think. Just get up and do it. If it's one you wish were through, do it now. It's not only that you wish, sometimes there may be job which you don't like to do, but it has to be done. So you get up and do it. If you're sure the job's your own, do not hem and haw or groan. See, you all know you have to study your subject. There are 6 subjects. That is your job. Run your own race. You have to run the race. You can't expect another person to run for you. Okay, that will not be a right one. You can't expect another person to come and study for you and go and write the exam. You have to do. So you have to run your own race. So here, hem and haw means be unsure about doing something. You don't know what to study, when to begin. You're unsure. That is hem and haw. And groan, simply complaining that my nose is paining, my eye is paining, that is paining, this is paining, always complaining, groaning, and not doing anything. Quick before the time is flown. If you do this, what happens? The time will fly away. Everybody has got 24 hours. So you have to plan, make a to-do list, and stick to it. Be sincere to the list and give the list to somebody else and ask that person to monitor you. So they will give you alarm, or they will warn you, see, this is the time for you to study and you're wasting it. So that will help you to go and get into your work. Now don't put off a bit of work. Do it now. See, sometimes nobody will say, not only your studies, at in your house you may see many job which has to be done. You can help your mama in grating the coconut and chopping the vegetable and sweeping the house. There are a lot of work, mamas are doing in the house. You can just go and help your mother. She'll be very much happy. She'll be very happy to see that you know so it's your duty to make your mom happy. So do have not only your studies, do even the household forest work, for it doesn't pay to shirk. The shirk meaning is avoid doing something. If you avoid doing something, nobody is going to appreciate you or award you for that. So you have to do your responsibility. If you want to fill a place and be useful to the race, just get up and take a breeze. Breeze your meaning, prepare for difficult situations. See, if you want to get A plus in all subjects, then what you should do, make a to-do list, sit and follow your list. Make a study plan and stick to it. Be sincere to it. Complete the work what is to be done at the right time. Okay, just get up and take a break. You go and do it. Come to the active mode and do it now. Now, not later. See, there will be temptation like mobile phone, your notification. So keep away the temptation, the distraction. Don't keep anything near your study table. Focus on the work and complete your task. Otherwise, your awareness will go off. So you need willpower to bring your awareness and do what you have to do at the right time. Do not linger by the way. Look at that boy, simply standing, don't know what to do, simply gazing something and standing. So don't do it. Whatever you have to do it now. You will lose if you delay. Do it now. If you delay, whatever, the time will fly and go off. Exam will come and you won't be able to write the exam properly and you will lose. So you're going to be the loser. So do your task at the right time. If the other fellows wait or postpone until it's late, you hit up a faster gate. Your gate is pace. Don't follow the friends who are wasting the time. If other fellows wait or postpone until it's late, you hit up a faster gate. You do your work. Don't follow the wrong models. See, your friends may be putting your phone, enjoying music, or they may be watching movie or playing all the time. Don't follow them. Have good role models in front of you and do the work what is to be done at the right time. So we have come to the end of the lesson. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. God bless you.